How can a refurbished unit keep up to date, and how can mission critical IT be refurbished? Surely it's got to be the most advanced, the most up to date, the most ready that it can possibly be.
It's a very good question. It's a very good point. And I think, you need to look at the market. You need to look at all the different technologies that you have in operation. And going back to the point of obsolescence management, I think it's all about really trying to predict when that system is going to become obsolete. But then obviously, try to intervene much sooner. Okay, and this works for both the public sector as well as the private sector. You mentioned, for instance, IT and systems obviously being the latest. Well, there was this system, this mobile shelter system, worth millions of dollars in America, being operated by the Indiana National Guard and the Army's National Guard. And that mobile shelter unit had been decommissioned, and it had been earmarked to be dismantled simply because the HVAC system, the heating, air conditioning system, etc., had been found to be faulty. And without HVAC, without heating, cooling systems, no one can obviously operate or work inside of those mobile shelters. So basically they had decommissioned, they had plans to get rid of that. And you were talking $10 million US dollars for that unit. Well, they had one of these. And they had obviously a trained technician, trained engineer. And that engineer said, you know what? Let me have a go. Let me try. Let me see what I can do. And he ran a number of tests. He found, the faulty components, replaced that component, tested on the unit, and the unit was working again. So in a matter of hours, he sorted that problem out, a problem that the manufacturer, the original equipment manufacturer, had told them it was impossible to resolve. So there's a lot of assumptions, there's a lot of ideas in our industry, unfortunately, that they don't stand the test of, us asking questions. For instance, software. A lot of companies or people believe that everything is software driven these days, and if you don't have the software of that PCB, there's nothing you can do. And then that's not true. That's absolutely not true. And obviously we have seen our customers, it's not us, it's our customers using our system, relying on our training, proving these concepts wrong time and time again.